My mind is clear, focused, and aligned with the frequency of abundance. I am manifesting my dream life. My dream life is manifested right now. I claim my dream life. I declare my dream life is manifested. I know that my dream life is manifested. I am living my dream life right now. My dream life is filled with abundance and prosperity. I am the creator of my reality. I attract and focus on positivity. I am deserving of my dream life. I actively manifest my dream life every day. I am filled with endless positive energy. I am constantly attracting good things to me. I am attracting joyful experiences. I am attracting fulfilling relationships. I am a powerful magnet for my dreams. My dreams are reality. I am confident. I am capable. I am achieving my goals effortlessly. I am living each day with passion and purpose. I am grateful for every blessing, seen and unseen. I am surrounded by love, and everything is beautiful. I am a positive influence on my environment. I am attracting positivity in all forms. I am manifesting positivity in all forms. I am always in the right place at the right time. I declare I am in the right place at the right time. I experience growth every day. I claim my progress every day. I am at peace with my past. I am excited about my future. I claim my beauty in the present. I am the beacon of love. I am the beacon of happiness. I receive love all around me. I claim the happiness in my life. I declare that I am living in harmony with my highest self. I am fulfilled. I am content. I am enriched in all areas of my life. I am successful in all of my pursuits. I am constantly discovering new talents within me. I am constantly discovering new abilities within me. I am a visionary. I am in perfect health. I am secure in my finances. I am wise in managing my money. I inspire others through my journey. I inspire others through my achievements. I live in a state of gratitude. I appreciate everything life offers me. I am deeply connected to the universe's abundance. My life is easy. My life is amazing. My life is perfect. I love my life. I am aligned with the energy of abundance, trusting the universe to provide for all my needs. I'm grateful for the blessings flowing into my life and radiate confidence, self-respect, and inner harmony. My life is a reflection of my positive intentions as I release any negative thoughts and embrace joy. I am open to receiving limitless abundance in every area of my life, creating space for growth and new opportunities. I am worthy of success in all the good things coming my way, letting go of doubts and trusting in my ability to succeed. Every challenge I face is an opportunity for growth, and I am surrounded by supportive, loving people who believe in me. I attract relationships that are healthy, supportive, and fulfilling, constantly improving and evolving into my best self. I attract opportunities that align with my passions and purpose, trusting the timing of my life and being patient with the process. I deserve a life filled with happiness and fulfillment, choosing peace over worry and trust over fear. I am constantly moving toward my goals with clarity and confidence, embracing change as a powerful force for growth and improvement. I trust that everything is unfolding for my highest good in harmony with the flow of life. I forgive myself and others, releasing the past and embracing the present. I am resilient, strong, and capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I am a magnet for miracles and unexpected blessings, focusing on things that bring me joy and happiness. I am in complete control of my thoughts and emotions, grateful for all the lessons life has taught me. I am deserving of every success that comes my way, celebrating my uniqueness and letting my authentic self shine. I trust in the process of life and know that everything is unfolding perfectly for me. I am deeply connected to the universe, and its abundance flows freely into my life. I choose to focus on positivity, attracting only good things into my experience. I am resilient and handle every challenge with grace and strength. I am constantly discovering new talents and abilities within me, and I trust my intuition to guide me toward my highest purpose. I am deserving of love, success, and all the wonderful opportunities life offers. I embrace each day with enthusiasm, knowing that I am capable of achieving my dreams. I am at peace with my past, fully present in the moment, and excited for my future. I am grateful for every blessing, seen and unseen, and I trust the universe to bring me everything I need at the right time. My mind is clear, focused, and aligned with my goals, and I move toward them with ease and confidence. I attract supportive, loving relationships and create an environment filled with joy, peace, and harmony. I am a powerful creator, and my thoughts manifest effortlessly into reality. I live each day with passion and purpose, knowing that I am fully aligned with my highest self. I am in perfect health, my finances are secure, and I manage my resources wisely. I inspire others through my journey, my achievements, and my ability to overcome obstacles. My life is filled with miracles and blessings, and I am deeply grateful for all the abundance surrounding me. I am in harmony with the universe and trust that everything is working in my favor. I am filled with endless positive energy, and I use it to manifest my dreams effortlessly. My life is a magnet for prosperity, abundance, and joy. I am confident in my ability to achieve my goals and create the reality I desire. I embrace every opportunity that comes my way, knowing it will lead me to growth and success. I am grateful for all the love, happiness, and success that flows into my life. I attract positive experiences and fulfilling relationships, and I am constantly surrounded by supportive and uplifting people. I release all negativity and embrace peace and joy in every moment. I believe in myself and my capacity to manifest greatness. I am constantly growing, evolving, and discovering new strengths within me. I trust that the universe is guiding me toward my highest potential, and I am always in the right place at the right time. I am worthy of all the good things coming into my life, and I welcome them with open arms. I forgive myself for past mistakes and choose to live fully in the present. I radiate love, kindness, and positivity, and I attract the same energy into my life. I am secure in my decisions and trust that everything I do is for my highest good. I am a powerful creator, and every day I take steps toward building the life of my dreams. If you enjoyed these affirmations, please consider leaving a like comment, subscribing and sharing with someone you love. If you'd like to follow me on my Instagram, please consider checking out my links below. And lastly, I would like to say thank you again. Thank you so much to each and every one of you who takes the time to watch my videos and support this channel. Like I say, and as always, I truly could not do this without you. None of this is possible without you. And this community of kindness that we have built here is what makes all of this possible. And I thank you deeply from the bottom of my heart for everything. In humble gratitude, I am grateful to each and every one of you. Thank you for watching. Take care and make a difference.